Hypersonic missiles traveling at speeds exceeding Mach 5 are rapidly changing modern military strategy. These weapons can penetrate even the most sophisticated defense systems, making them a game changer in any conflict. Their speed and maneuverability present a significant challenge to traditional air defense systems. Countries equipped with hypersonic weapons possess a distinct advantage, capable of striking targets with unprecedented speed and precision. The development of hypersonic missiles has sparked a global arms race, with nations investing heavily in this technology. The proliferation of hypersonic missiles poses a significant threat to global security, potentially lowering the threshold for conflict. The international community must work together to establish norms and regulations to prevent unchecked escalation and the constant threat of hypersonic war. In June 2023, Iran announced the successful test of its first indigenous hypersonic missile, the Fattah 1. The Fattah 1, meaning conqueror in Persian, is a solid-fuel, maneuverable hypersonic missile designed to overcome sophisticated air defense systems. Iranian officials claim the missile can achieve speeds of up to Mach 15, making it incredibly difficult to intercept. Despite facing strict international sanctions, Iranian scientists and engineers have developed a weapons system that rivals those of more established military powers. The development of the Fattah 1 has significant implications for regional security, particularly for Israel and Saudi Arabia. The Fattah 1's range and speed provide Iran with the capability to strike targets deep within enemy territory. This development highlights Iran's determination to enhance its defense capabilities and reduce its reliance on foreign suppliers. In November 2023, Iran unveiled its next-generation hypersonic missile, the Fattah 2. The Fattah 2 represents a significant leap forward in Iranian missile technology, incorporating advanced features and capabilities. Iranian officials claim the Fattah 2 boasts an extended range of approximately 2,000 kilometers, significantly greater than its predecessor. The Fattah 2 is believed to be equipped with a more sophisticated guidance system, enhancing its accuracy and lethality. Iranian engineers have incorporated cutting-edge countermeasures and stealth technology, making it incredibly difficult to detect and track. This advanced hypersonic missile provides Iran with a powerful deterrent against potential aggressors, bolstering its national security and enhancing its regional influence. Section 4. A global hypersonic arms race, comparing capabilities. The emergence of hypersonic missiles has sparked a global arms race, with major powers vying for dominance. The United States, Russia, and China have all invested heavily in hypersonic research and development. The US has pursued the Hypersonic Attack Cruise Missile and the Army Long-Range Hypersonic Weapon, aiming for exceptional speed and precision. Russia fields systems like the Avangard Hypersonic Glide Vehicle and the Zircon Hypersonic Cruise Missile. China has developed the DFZF Hypersonic Glide Vehicle and the CHS-X-13 Hypersonic Cruise Missile. The Fattah missiles, while lagging behind in range and sophistication, represent a significant leap forward for Iran's missile program. Their development highlights Iran's determination to acquire advanced military capabilities and challenge the existing regional balance of power. Section 5. Shifting sands of power, regional and global implications. The development of hypersonic missiles, particularly by Iran, has far-reaching implications for regional and global security. In the Middle East, Iran's acquisition of hypersonic missiles has heightened tensions with its regional rivals, particularly Israel and Saudi Arabia. These countries view the Fattah missiles as a direct threat to their security. The proliferation of hypersonic missiles also has significant implications for global security, potentially destabilizing existing deterrence relationships. This could lead to a situation where countries feel compelled to launch preemptive strikes, increasing the risk of miscalculation and escalation. The international community must promote dialogue among states to enhance transparency and build confidence. Exploring arms control agreements that limit the development and deployment of these weapons is crucial. The stakes are simply too high to ignore.
Prime channel membership today and get access to exclusive benefits, including early access to new videos, exclusive discounts on Intel products, behind-the-scenes content, live chat with me and other members. Other options will be soon available. Thank you for your support and for helping Intel Prime grow.